Welcome to AutomateNG. Today I will show you how to build a complete professional website using Claude AI without writing a single line of code yourself. Whether you are a business owner, student, or freelancer, this guide gives you every step to go from zero to a live website. Let us begin. Let us start with a quick roadmap of everything we will cover today. Here is your complete roadmap. 6 areas, from what Claude AI is, to building step-by-step, to making your site fast and secure. By the end, you will have a professional website live on the internet without touching a single line of code. Every section builds on the last. Let us go. Which of these 6 areas do you most need help with right now? Keep that in mind. We begin with the most important question. What exactly is Claude AI? Section 1. What is Claude AI? Before we build anything, let us understand the tool we are using. Claude is developed by Anthropic and is one of the world's most capable AI assistants. Knowing what it can do will help you give it better instructions and get professional results every time. Let us look at what Claude actually does and why it is so powerful for websites. Claude AI is not just a chatbot. It is a professional-level developer and designer that works on your instructions. You describe your business, your colors, your pages. Claude writes the complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It understands context, so telling it, "I run a catering business in Abuja targeting corporate clients," gives you a website that looks and feels right. And if anything needs changing, you just ask. No code knowledge required, ever. What would it mean for your business if you could launch a professional website this week? Now, let us look at why you genuinely do not need coding skills for this. Traditional web development requires years of learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Hiring a developer in Nigeria costs 300,000 to 2 million naira or more. With Claude AI, you describe what you want in plain English and receive complete, professional code in seconds. Changes that used to take a developer days now take you 30 seconds. The entire paradigm of website building has shifted, and this slide shows you exactly why. Think about the last time you considered building a website. What stopped you? Cost? Skills? Time? All 3? Let us see the full range of websites Claude can build for your business. Claude AI can build every common type of business website. A landing page to attract clients, a portfolio to showcase your work, an e-commerce store to sell products, a restaurant site with menus and bookings, a blog to build your authority, and a service booking site for appointment-based businesses. If you can describe it in words, Claude can build it. This covers virtually every Nigerian business need. Which of these 6 website types matches your business need right now? Before we start building, let us understand the core concepts that make this work. Section 2. Core concepts. You do not need to write code, but understanding the key concepts helps you give better instructions and understand what Claude is doing for you. This section takes 5 minutes and will make everything else click into place. Let us look at what HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are without getting technical. Every website is built from 3 languages. HTML is the skeleton. It defines what content exists. CSS is the styling, colors, fonts, layout. JavaScript is the interactivity, menus, animations, forms. Claude writes all 3 simultaneously when you describe your website. You see the plain English prompt go in, a complete working website comes out. You simply copy the code and deploy it. Think of Claude as 3 expert developers working together in real time for you. Once your site is built, it needs a home on the internet. That is hosting. Once Claude builds your website code, you need somewhere to host it. Think of hosting like renting a plot of land where your website permanently lives online. The best starting point for Nigerians is Netlify, completely free. You drag and drop your files and your site is live in 60 seconds. Vercel and GitHub pages are equally excellent free options. As your business grows and you need more features, Hostinger and cPanel hosts offer affordable paid plans with Naira billing. Do you already have a domain name? If not, what would your ideal business URL be? And your site needs an address. Let us talk about domain names. Your domain name is your permanent address online. For businesses, I strongly recommend a .com.ng domain. It signals local presence, builds trust with Nigerian clients, and performs better in local search results. Register yours at TrueHost, QServers, HugoHost, or Web4 Africa. All accept Naira payments and cost as little as 2,000 Naira per year. Keep the name short, match your business name, and avoid numbers or hyphens that confuse customers. Now we are ready to build. Let us start with the most important step, planning. Section 3, Step-by-Step Website Build. This is the heart of the training. We are going to walk through every stage of building your website with Claude AI, from writing your first prompt all the way to publishing a live site. Follow each step exactly, and you will have a working website by the end of this section. With your plan ready, let us write your first powerful Claude prompt. Planning is the most important step, and it takes only 10 minutes. Answer these 5 questions honestly and in detail. What is your business? Who are your customers? What pages do you need? What style and colors feel right for your brand? What do you want visitors to do? These answers become your first Claude prompt. The more specific and detailed your answers, the better and more accurate Claude's output will be. Skip the planning and your website will be generic. Do the planning and Claude builds something that genuinely represents your business. Pause this video right now and write down your answers to all 5 questions. This is your website brief. Now it is time to actually generate your website code using Claude. The quality of your Claude output is 100% determined by the quality of your prompt. Look at the weak prompt on the left. Build me a website for my business tells Claude almost nothing and gives you a generic result. Now look at the strong prompt on the right. It names the business, the location, the audience, the pages, the exact colors, the specific features, and the design style. Claude now has everything it needs to build a site that genuinely represents your brand. Always write your prompts with this level of detail. Read the weak prompt again. Have you ever given an AI a prompt like that and been disappointed? Now you know exactly why. The code is ready. Let us preview it and refine anything that needs improving. This is where the magic happens. Open Claude.ai in your browser. You can start with the free plan or upgrade to Claude Pro for longer outputs, which is useful for multi-page websites. Start a fresh conversation, paste your detailed prompt, and hit enter. Within 30 to 90 seconds, Claude produces complete working code for your entire website. Copy it, paste it into a file called index.html, and you have a website file ready to deploy. It genuinely is that straightforward. Walk through each of the 6 steps at an even, readable pace. No rushing. Now, let us look at building a complete multi-page professional website. Once you have the code, double-click your index.html file to open it in Chrome or Firefox. You immediately see your website exactly as visitors will see it. If anything needs changing, text, colors, layout, or missing features, go back to Claude and describe the change in plain English. Claude updates the entire code for you. The golden rule: never try to edit the code manually unless you know what you were doing. Always ask Claude. This keeps your code clean and consistent throughout the entire build. What is the first change you would make to your Claude-built website? What would you ask Claude to improve? Your site is built. Now let us put it live on the internet, completely free. For a full multi-page website, build each page separately: home, about, services, contact, blog. Start a fresh Claude conversation for each page, keeping the same brand colors and style in every prompt for consistency. Save each page as its own .html file. Once all pages are built, ask Claude to generate a consistent navigation menu that links all pages together. Then simply upload the entire folder of files to Netlify, and your complete multi-page website is live. Let us now look at real businesses that have done exactly what you just learned. Deploying your website on Netlify is the easiest part of this entire process. Create a free account at netlify.com, no credit card required. Click Add New Site, choose Deploy Manually, Then drag your entire website folder directly onto the upload area. 30 seconds later, Netlify gives you a live URL that anyone in the world can visit. Connect your custom .com.ng domain through their domain settings, and you have a fully professional website live online completely for free. Now, let us look at the professional features that make your site rank and perform. Section 4. Real-world use cases. Claude-built websites are not just functional, they are winning real business for entrepreneurs right now. Let us look at 4 specific examples across different industries and see exactly what was built and what results it delivered. First, SEO. How to ask Claude to make your website appear on Google search results. 4 real businesses, 4 concrete results. A catering company in Abuja booked 12 corporate events in their first month. They had relied entirely on word of mouth before. A Lagos freelancer landed their first international client 3 weeks after launching a Claude-built portfolio. And a Nugu coaching business sold 34 course spots in 2 weeks. And a fashion brand in Ibadan now generates 60% of revenue from their online store within 60 days of launch. These are achievable results for any Nigerian business willing to build their digital presence today. Which of these 4 Nigerian business results is most similar to what you want to achieve? Beyond SEO, your website becomes a business tool when you add these key integrations. Section 5. Business applications. Building the website is only the beginning. A professional business website also needs to rank on Google, load fast, stay secure, and connect with your business tools. This section shows you how to ask Claude to add all of these professional features without touching a single line of code yourself. And your website must work perfectly on every mobile phone. Here is how to ensure that. SEO is what determines whether your website appears on Google when potential clients search for your services. Without SEO, your beautiful website is invisible. The good news? You can ask Claude to add every major SEO element with a single prompt. Meta titles, descriptions, proper heading structure, image alt text, schema markup for local businesses, and open graph tags for social sharing. Or simply use the master prompt at the bottom of this slide. Claude handles everything at once. Your competitors who do not know this will spend thousands on SEO agencies. You will ask Claude. Does your current website have proper meta tags and schema markup? If you are not sure, it probably does not. Now, let us cover the mistakes that trip up beginners and how to avoid every one. Your website becomes a business tool when it connects to your existing systems. Ask Claude to add a WhatsApp chat button so visitors can reach you instantly. Add Paystack so customers can pay directly on your site in Naira. Connect Google Analytics to track every visitor. Add a MailChimp newsletter form to build your subscriber list. Embed Google Maps for your physical location. And add Calendly so clients can book appointments without back and forth messaging. Every single one of these is a simple Claude prompt, and each one makes your website more powerful. When Claude makes an error, here is exactly how to fix it with a precise prompt. 78% of internet users in Nigeria browse on their mobile phones. This is not a preference, it is a reality. A website that looks broken on mobile loses the majority of its visitors immediately. The solution is to include mobile-first responsiveness in your very first Claude prompt. Ask for CSS grid, flexbox, proper breakpoints, a hamburger menu for mobile navigation, and touch-optimized buttons. Then test your finished site at responsivedesignchecker.com to confirm it looks perfect on every screen size before you launch. Take out your phone right now and visit any website you own or know. Does it look right on mobile? This is why this step matters. Now, let us look ahead at where Claude AI website building is heading in the next few years. Section 6. Common mistakes. Even with a tool as powerful as Claude AI, beginners make avoidable errors that cost them time and money. This section covers the 6 most frequent mistakes I see and the specific fix for every single one. Learning these now will save you significant frustration later. Here are 6 future trends that will make AI website building even more powerful. 6 mistakes. Mistake in red on the left, solution in green on the right. Never write one-sentence prompts. Always use the 5-question framework. Never manually edit code. Always ask Claude. Build one page at a time, not the whole site at once. Always test mobile before launching. Add SEO before going live. And register a proper custom domain. A .com.ng domain builds far more credibility with Nigerian clients than a free Netlify.app URL. Avoid these 6 errors and your build will be smoother, faster, and more professional. Have you made any of these 6 mistakes before? Now you have the exact fix for everyone. Let us bring everything together into a clear summary of what you can now do. Claude AI will occasionally produce code with small errors, a broken layout, a menu that does not open, a form that does not submit. This is normal and always fixable. The key is to describe the problem specifically. Do not just say, "Fix the code." Tell Claude exactly what is wrong and on what type of screen or interaction. Describe it the way you would explain a problem to a developer. What breaks, when, and what you expected to happen instead. Claude's self-correction is remarkably good when you give it a precise, clear description of the issue. Section 7. Future Trends. Claude AI and the tools surrounding it are evolving faster than any previous software technology. Understanding where this is heading gives you a strategic advantage, the ability to position your skills and your business for capabilities that are already being developed right now. 6 trends shaping the future of AI website building. Full website generation from a single prompt is already emerging in early tools. AI design systems will learn your brand once and apply it forever. Voice to website means speaking your description aloud. AI handles everything else. Real-time personalization changes content per visitor automatically. AI-powered A/B testing finds your highest converting design without human intervention. And autonomous AI agents will eventually maintain and update your website without you doing anything. AutomateNG is positioned to help you adopt every one of these as they arrive. 8 things you can now do that you could not do before this training. You understand how Claude works. You know the 5-question planning framework. You can write powerful prompts. You can build and refine a multi-page site. You can deploy live on Netlify for free. You can add all professional business integrations. You can fix errors confidently, and you understand where AI web building is heading. You have everything you need to launch your professional website this week. You have the knowledge, the prompts, the steps, and the tools. What is stopping you from starting today? Thank you for completing this AutomateNG training on building a website with Claude AI. Your action is simple. Visit aiworkflow.com.ng to explore our full range of AI automation courses and services. Fill the free inquiry form for a personalized plan, and we will show you exactly how to build and launch your business website. Or simply use the WhatsApp chat button on the website to chat with our team directly. We are ready to help you build your digital presence today. If you found this training helpful, make sure you subscribe or follow for more AI tutorials, automation guides, website building strategies, and practical digital skills. Share this video with someone who wants to build a website without coding, and leave a comment below telling us what kind of website you want to create. And if you want the ready-to-use Claude AI prompts used in designing websites like the examples in this training, simply comment prompts below, and we will send them to you. Thank you for watching, and keep automating.